Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican, and I'm back at you with another prank video. Today, my friend Giovanni should be coming over. We're going to be making a YouTube video, but what he doesn't know is that I got some pizza for us. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put some hot sauce on the pizza. So when he takes a bite, it's gonna be really, really hot. But the thing with this hot sauce is it's straight from Jamaica, and it should be one of the hottest sauces. Alright guys, he just texted me he's outside, so we're gonna go meet him outside now.
Man, you ready to film this video, bro?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Epic Jamaican, my friend. Epic Jamaican, let's do it.
Yeah, this is Gio, guys. If you guys never seen him before in the vlog.
You're vlogging, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Netflix and chill, man.
So me and Giovanni is here. We're discussing video ideas for the next video we got coming up. We're gonna have there's some pizza here that we have in too.
Yeah. So, bro, like for Netflix and chill, man, I'm thinking you could do like an instructional video. No close. Yeah, so.
Let me get another Jameson's.
What kind of pizza is this, man? What kind of pizza you order, man?
Has like, no, this is just mild. We didn't.
The hell is this? Mayo! Ah! Man! What kind of pizza put in this, man? Seriously? God damn, this is hot.
No, man. I just ordered. Oh shit.
Oh god. Oh,
You want you drink the water, bro?
Pizza, man. Oh god, oh god.
Giovanni, chill. Drink the water, dog. Drink
That's
the
hot,
water.
man. That's hot. Oh god. Oh, that's hot. Oh god.
You want some milk? I got milk in the fridge.
Yeah. Oh god.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, bro. Oh shit. Come on, man. It's not that bad. Come on.
The hell it is. Bro, that's so spicy, man. Oh god. Oh god, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot.
That Giovanni. Come on, you okay, bro? Oh shit. Giovanni, you good, bro?
Damn.
Damn, bro. So you wanna know what happened?
What the hell you put in that pizza, man?
Some Jamaican hot sauce. You want to see this right here? My dad got it from Jamaica.
You're sick, man. You're sick, bro. Bro, you know how hot that is, man?
Damn.
Damn, bro. Dude, I need more. I need milk, man. I need milk.
That's why my fans in my show screaming, take me to church. No suit and tie, but baby, I go to work. Don't do it for the money, but that's one of the perks.